Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace new HP ink cartridge into your desk printer. For that, first connect your printer through power cable, then switch on the printer. After switched on the printer, wait few moments. The power LED has to get stopped. After getting stopped, just go to the front side of the printer, just pull down the front cover, right? After pulling down the front cover, the cartridge assembly will come and settle in front of you. Then unpack your new cartridges and keep like this. This is the new cartridge, right, which is unpacked, and this is black cartridge which is unpacked, right? So in this cartridge assembly, the right side indicate black cartridge, left side indicate color cartridge. See here, this is right and left side cartridge assembly. So first I am going to install the black cartridge. This is 680 cartridge I am going to install. First I am going to install black cartridge which is in right side. Just keep the cartridge like this, just okay, like this. Then keep your index finger like this, then thumb like this, right? Just give a pressure into your thumb finger, then it will go and rest into the cartridge assembly. The cartridge go and rest into the cartridge assembly. Then take the color cartridge, keep like this, right? Keep like this, right? Then keep top of the cartridge assembly, index finger, then keep the thumb like this, then give one light pressure, then you'll get a click sound and go and get rest into that area, right? Now we did install both black and color cartridge. Now we are going to close the cover, right? After closing the cover, you can feel the cartridge is moving left and right and finally get settled down, right? After settled down, then connect your USB cable through printer and laptop or desktop. After that, give the printout. Now it will work. This is the same method which is applicable for all inkjet cartridges, even if it is HP or Canon or any other printer, okay? So before getting install the new cartridge, just if you open the front door, automatically the cartridge assembly will come and see your face. That is in front of your chest, it will be there, right? Then unpack your new cartridges and place into the corresponding position. Then it will work. If the cartridge assembly is not coming automatically in front of you, that means the printer is having some problem. You should not force the cartridge assembly to come in front of you. That means it has to come automatically in front of you. It has to come automatically in front of you. Then if you place the cartridge, it will work. If it is not coming, there is a problem in your printer. You have to solve the problem. Then you have to install the cartridge. Have a nice day. Welcome.